Hi there, my name is Olivia, and today I'm excited to teach you how to use the resource library in your CoachVantage client portal. To access your resource library, simply go to the left-hand menu and click Resource Library here. The resource library in your client portal allows you to upload resources and documents. You can choose to keep these files private for your eyes only, or to share them with your coach. You can also access files that your coach has shared with you. On the resource library page here, you will see you can search by file name or owner. You can also search via the sort icon here by alphabetical order, date created, or date updated. You'll see here in this table, you have the file name, owner/shared by, shared with, last modified, file size, and the three-dot button menu, which allows you to download, rename, share, or delete a certain folder or file. You can also easily delete multiple files by clicking the checkbox on the right and then pressing delete here. Alternatively, you could select files and then share them, move them to another folder, or download them here. Let me show you how to add a new file to your resource library. To do this, press Add Local File. A pop-up window will appear, which will allow you to choose a file from your computer to upload. Once you have located the file you want to upload, make sure to press Add. Now we can see that file has been successfully uploaded. Now that I have uploaded this file, I may want to share it with my coach. To do this, simply click the three-dot button menu on the right-hand side of your screen and then select Share. A pop-up window will emerge, which will allow you to share the resource with your coach. You can search or select your coach here. In this case, my coach's name is Jessica Albert. Next, click Share Resource. Fantastic! Your resource has been shared, and your coach has received an email notification that you've recently uploaded a file. You'll also notice that once you share a file, if you look at the Shared With column, that person's picture will pop up here. Next, let's review how to create a new folder in your resource library. To do this, simply click Create Folder here, and then title your folder. Remember to press Save when finished. You will see that your folder has successfully been created. Now, let's look at how to add multiple files to a folder. To do this, simply click the files that you would like added to the folder. Next, press Move To. Then, select the folder you would like those files to be moved to, and press Move. Wonderful! Now, when I go into the First Session Resources folder, I will see that the two files, Goal Breakdown and Goals Progress, are here. To add more files to this folder, First Session Resources, simply click Add Local File. Now you know all about files in the resource library. At the top here, you will see there is another tab to the resource library called CV Meet Recordings. When you click the CV Meet Recordings tab, this is where, if your coach has recorded a session using the CV Meet feature in CoachVantage, you as the client would be able to access the recording. Your coach may or may not choose to share the video recordings of sessions with you, but this is where the recordings will live if there are video recordings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video on how to use the resource library in CoachVantage. We hope this video has been helpful. Have a wonderful day.